To successfully install adMission on your Squarespace site, we must first install the code, which can be found just above this video. It is worth noticing that the disclosure message at the moment says insert disclosure message here, so you will need to customize this for your site. It is worth paying attention to the regulations in your region. I have already taken this and put it into a little notepad here and customized my own disclosure message. Now that I have this, I will copy it and add it to Squarespace. This is very similar to how we added the publisher master tag. We go to Settings, Advanced, Code Injection, and paste it into the header. We click Save, and the code has been added. What we also need to do is turn on adMission in the Awin UI. In the Publisher Master Tag page, we can see adMission, we can turn it on here, and we can have a look at the settings as well. So at the moment, I have these 3 monetized domains, so if a link appears from awin1.com, shareasale.com, or cfjump.com, then I will have a page disclosure displayed, and that link will be followed by an asterisk. This can be defined to whatever I want, and I can choose whether I want to have the page disclosure on or off. I can also add rel equals sponsored, for SEO disclosure. So let's click that as well. Click Save, and that is complete.